Jed Madela.
Jed Madala.
When I just wanna look at your face, because love isn't now.
Sorry na, Tol. Raklakan, sorry na.
Ano, Martin Rivera, Tol?
Ha?
Martin Rivera. Away na.
Ayoko nun.
Dali na! Sayang naman.
Wala na, last na nga yung token mo. Ito na, wala yung token.
You were just a dream that I once knew.
Nabidyoan ka na.
Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you.
Nakakay na to.
Anything in this world. You're all I need to be.
Ali, forevermore.
Sorry na, parokya. Sorry na.
Ano, sorry na?
Sorry na.
Sige.
Kung parokya ba yun? Tol? Parokya ni Edgar. 6814.
I'm dreaming of you. Every night I'm watching all the stars that fall down. Wish you would be mine. I just can't believe that you are mine now.
Sige, paikot-ikot yan.
You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with
Tol, mag-lip-sync ako na rin kung nakanta.
this girl.
Huwag mong lip-sync lang.
Teka.
Lip-sync lang kung rin boses mo.
Ano ba yan?
Time and again, there are these changes that we cannot end. Sure as this time keeps going on and on, my love for you will be forever.
Bongga. Ito ka nila, oh.
Ba yan, ang pangit itsura.
Hindi ito nakatawa ka. Ang hirap na, di ba?
Kamay-kamay muna. Ba't ka nakakawal?
Kaway ka nga.
I just can't believe that you are mine now.
Go, go. Sige, sige. Kanta ka. Kanwara ikaw.
You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you.
Kasi mahal.
Kaya nga.
Ang galing ni Rose! Hey! Baby!
To be with.
Nabit!
Mali, si Rose!
Celine, nabitin yung musong. Bagay! Bagay!
Galing ni Rose!
Bagay yung boses ni Celine sa'yo.
Oo nga. Ayun pala si Celine pala nakanta. The original! 6814.
Ay, stop mo nga. No.
Ay,
Ako muna, 14 seconds.